apathy, from the ghettos of poverty, from the ghettos of wealth, from the lack of imagination. We are gathered here because we want to resist that is happening, that is killing our brothers and our sisters. So we do not want to comply with that war.
Wat hadin arpanai hadu minta dang beteng kejingya kenan bat ya snam hapading artli kijat benriu meitei bat kikuki hagajela Manipur. Kat badang yat kisngi kipor katei kejingya kenan labon ki ying kisem ki ying mani ki la shathang bat bon ki pat ba kajela Manipur ki la minsau bat donru ki bela du no ela kejingem hakani kejingya kenan. Hakatayo ba jong banai nai tung arjar arpulai keladan kawai ke jingja bayu iling ba ke video bala sapriang hakirin san social media ba sya le ben ki arngut ki kenthai nagajat benriu kuki ke bala sya penyat lengkhut hasurak bat sya le be ijan hakipat bhur meitei bat kani ke penpar nyang kriat bat su jeri ke perthai barok kawai bat kalami ru ke jing Pynrem na ki bapon balang na kelengkari. Haka arpulai terik unai tung arjar arpulai ke kenhon jeng ki Manipur support group ki basyong basa Shillong ki lepelong ya ke jingye lumlang bat banduai lang na kebenta ke jingjia Manipur haka babun na kisamla ki long kemi ki long pa na keleng kanong ba Shillong bat north east ki lawan banishment talang haka ni ke jingye lumlang hadon Bosco square lai mkra Shillong. Hakani ke jingya lumlang lami ke sur ke bajam ban Pynrem juri ke Sorkar Manipur bat ke Sorkar India bakamla ban tek lakam ya geni ke jingya kenan kalami ke sur ban wanra jingsuk Manipur bat ban pensitom ru ya kitu ki bedon keti ban penyat lingkut bat lek beijot ya ki kentai.
What do we want? Peace. When do we want it? Now. What do we want? Peace. When do we want it? Now.
Peace in Manipur!
Peace in Manipur!
Friends, we are all here with one voice, and that is, we all want peace.
Yes!
Hakani kesngi lawan bandon bentalang di kong Angela rungat ibalakren persya ahlor ke jingle jong ke Sorkar Manipur. Ila ongru ke Sorkar ka dei banyale kat balak ban wanra e ke syong suk syong san ha ke jela Manipur.
We don't want divisive politics. We as women don't want to be used by ethno-nationalists. We don't want to be used by right-wing politics. We don't want to be used by anybody who want to further hate, who want to further injustice, and who want to rob us of our peace. We are here to condemn all the forces that have been behind the unrest in Manipur. We may be in Shillong, but when an injustice happens to one of you, my sisters in Manipur, it happens to me. We reject the kind of violence perpetrated over our bodies. Every woman counts, every human counts. We will not allow this kind of hatred to run through our lives, to divide our families, to break our friendships. We will defeat hate. We will defeat hate with love. We will not allow those forces with self-interest, those with a larger design, that are using you and me to spread hatred, to spread violence, to rape, to kill, and to arson. Me and you, wherever we are, in any corner of this world, your voice and my voice matters. We will speak to our friends, we will speak to our neighbors, we will even speak to somebody who no longer understands us at this moment. We will not allow our children once again to bear the burden of hatred. Why should our children be taught hate? We will protect them with everything we have. And we will begin by ensuring that we do not point a finger. You and me, for years, have been used by selfish people who are there to push forward their own agendas. Wherever we are, for us women in Meghalaya also, often we are subjected to the kind of misogyny and hate for people who want to push ethno-nationalist politics that other people who they feel don't belong enough. They use you and me all the time. And this time also, this is what it is. And that's why, let us begin. We're almost afraid to talk of peace. We're almost afraid to talk of justice and reconciliation. We're all tiptoeing. We don't want to offend somebody. At the center, that has allowed this to happen in our region. They are using all of us. Oh, you belong to this tribe. Oh, you're not from here. Oh, you're from there. Let us not allow them to use us. But let us say that we are the government and they merely represent us. And we need to ensure that they answer. They answer for every home that has been burnt down, for everybody who has been displaced and who has to look for a new home today from Manipur, for the rapes, the ones we know of them and the ones that have not been reported as yet. They have to be held accountable for what happened to our two sisters. It is the government we will ask to respond.
Habakran chikala pathai khubor kat tukat ningut kijat benriu kuki kilong batang kawai kabala banwan ra ya kasong suk song sanya jela Manipur kalong ban ai no la ka jong ka Sorkar na kabenta kijat benriu kuki bat meite.
We want justice and we want separate administration. We want to be separated now. We the Kuki people, we want to be separated. We want separate government. That will be the only peace. Please, the government of India, listen to us. We cannot be together with these beasts who often killed us, murder us, and even our dead body, we cannot collect them. And we cannot bury them. They are still lying in the morgue and they are not kept properly. It is worse than the animal. Even the animal, we don't treat them like that. And how come we talk about peace now? We want to be separated. We want separate administration. We want cookies, all people. We want only separate administration. Please, government of India and the people in the parliament, listen to us and please grant us this. This will be the only solution.
I'd like to invite you
How do you see the government
that we read
dealing
in
with
the
this
beginning.
They are not dealing with anything. They are only siding with his community, the Meitei people. Even while we are raped and tortured, they say they are still on their side. I think all the media must be knowing. I am not lying. My people are not lying. Still now they are hiding something behind. And if the video is not viral, nothing will be done till now. Only they are waiting for the viral video. If the video is not viral, Manipur will be burning and nobody will understand our problem. And people thought we are lying, but we tribals, we are not lying. We are a truthful people, we are a very good citizen of India. Your name? Chompi Hokim.
Until even the parliament, the CM of Manipur will not speak out till now. Luckily, God has helped us. We are standing still. We are standing speak the truth with the truth. Till now, we don't want to speak lies. We want to stand with justice. We want to stand with truth. So that's the reason now it's coming out, and God has revealed all the truth now.
From the seduction of wealth.
If you can tell us about this agitation.
No peace. So, for the tribal people, unless justice is served, how can we have peace? Because the government is totally siding with the poor people. The government, that's the people of the valley people are still scattering all the videos because in tribal areas, all the nets are set down and we can't do anything. We can't have any communication. But we tribal cookies or people still we spare the people who are still stuck in our tribal areas, but they did not spare the women, the children, and the old ladies and the disabled people. They are not spared. So how can we live with them in Manipur in peaceful way? So now the last and the final solution is separate administration is the only solution. Even our domestic animals, the dogs are not spared. They keep on burning. This is how the situation of Manipur happened in Manipur. So unless justice is served, unless separate administration is there, no solution. Only solution is separate administration for Kuki Zo people. Today, we want to speak the truth. We want to stand with the truth. We don't want to speak lies. We want the people of Manipur, the ladies are facing is, we don't want even for enemies to face those things. We should respect human bodies. We should respect God has given us our body. God has given us everyone has mother, wife, daughter. We should respect each and every one of our body. Why they are showing in every step to the government. Everywhere the assembly first they try to block with their naked. They want to show their naked. They have to respect their bodies, so that God will stand in every area. That is only what we want. Separate administration is what we want. The only solution for justice. Thank you. That's all.
Are not spared. Then how can you imagine women will spare? Please think and then please fight for us for separate administration from the Meitei society, not Manipuri. We are Manipuri, but we want separation from Meitei community. We want separation from Meitei community by Kuki Zo tribal group.
Shwaban penkut ikate gajing yalang na don gajing thang mombati ban pen I gajing ngolem na kabenta kajala Manipur.